In today's video, I'll teach you how to contact NFLShop customer support. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in nflshop.com, press enter. After that, you'll be led to the official website of NFL Shop. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to contact the customer support, it is actually very simple. For that, simply scroll down to the bottom of this interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for customer service, at first you'll be able to find the option for contact us. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the Contact Us interface of NFLShop. You'll be able to find various options for contacting them. First of all, you'll be able to find this option for self-service solutions. Right over here, you'll be able to find the link. If you click on it, you'll be able to find the self-service solutions. You'll be able to make changes to your order or discount directly on their site. Likewise, you'll also be able to find the option for calling them. You'll be able to find the number over here. So simply dial this number, call them, and you'll be able to contact the customer support. Likewise, you'll also be able to chat with them. Right over here, you'll be able to find the link. Simply click on it. Once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll also be able to see the FAQs over here. But in order to chat with them, click on this option, Chat Now, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the chat bot will be opened up. You'll be able to chat with them. Click on the message bar. Now type in your message over here. Once you do that, click on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the message has been sent. So like this too, you'll be able to contact them. Likewise, there are also other ways to contact them. Simply go back to the Contact Us interface. You'll also be able to find the link for their social channels over here. You'll be able to find the link for X, Facebook and Instagram. So you can simply click on this link and contact them via the social channels. Also, you'll be able to find the option for mailing them. You'll be able to see the mail address over here. You can simply drop your mail to this address. So like this, you'll also be able to contact them via the mail. So these are basically the ways to contact the customer support of NFL Shop. So that is how you contact NFL Shop customer support. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.